Acidity is a common condition that occurs when the stomach acid moves up the food pipe, resulting in discomfort in lower chest area. Today's video discuss how to make ginger and clove tea to beat acidity and indigestion.
Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily.
If you are looking for natural remedies, we have something that may be of help. Ginger is effective in boosting digestion. Cloves are packed with volatile oils. Ginger packs antibacterial properties. How to make the tea? Take a vessel, brew 1 big cup of hot water with an inch-long ginger root and 3 to 4 cloves. Let it steep for 5 minutes. Put up the flame, strain and drink. If you want, you can add a teaspoon of honey to taste. Once you have taken it off the stove, make sure you do not drink this tea more than 2 to 3 times a day. Are you going to try this? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.